This case considered the issue of family provisions. In this case, a young man who was attending university came to live in Australia and lived with an elderly woman. He had previously applied unsuccessfully under the family provisions and argued that he was in a de facto relationship with the elderly woman. The court refused this application on the basis that the relevant factors of a de facto relationship were not present, in particular the lack of a sexual or romantic relationship. The court had found that the relationship was more like a nephew and aunt. The court had concluded that a provision ought to be made for the young man on the basis of this domestic relationship. The relatives of the woman appealed this decision and argued that the provision was far too generous. The central issue for the court, therefore, was whether or not the provision from the woman's estate was sufficient in the circumstances. The court ultimately held that the